I bought and tested these hair fiber sprays so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As someone who has had my fair share of hair issues, I know how important it is to find products that work. Let me share my honest experiences with these top 5 hair fiber sprays that promise to give you thicker, fuller-looking hair. Product number 1. Toppik Hair Building Fibers. I remember the first time I tried Toppik Hair Building Fibers. I was skeptical. After all, I had tried countless products promising to give me thicker hair. But when I sprinkled the fibers onto my thinning areas, something magical happened. The fibers clung to my hair like a magnet, filling in those sparse spots instantly. I felt a surge of confidence as I looked in the mirror, seeing a fuller head of hair. Toppik comes in 9 shades and 4 sizes, making it versatile for everyone. My favorite part? It doubles as a root concealer between hair colorings, which is a game changer. It lasts from shampoo to shampoo and works on all hair types and textures. However, it does require a bit of technique to apply properly. You don't want to overdo it or you'll look like you're wearing a wig. The downside, it can be a bit pricey at $24.95 for the larger size, and if you're not careful, it can leave some residue on your hands. But if you want instant results that last, Toppik is a fantastic choice. I recommend it for anyone looking to enhance their hair's appearance without committing to permanent solutions. Product number 2. Fiberlock Hairspray by Minute Hair is the Fiberlock Hairspray by Minute Hair. At just $9.99, it's an affordable option that blew me away. This spray is specifically designed to lock hair fibers in place, and let me tell you, it does its job well. Unlike some sprays that leave your hair feeling stiff or crunchy, this one dries with a natural finish. I used it after applying Toppik, and the combination was flawless. The humidity-resistant formula is a lifesaver, especially in summer when the weather can wreak havoc on your hairstyle. The fresh fragrance was a pleasant surprise too. The only con I found was that you need to reapply throughout the day if you're going out for a long time. But for the price, I'd say it's worth it for anyone looking for a natural-looking hold. If you want to ensure your fibers stay put without looking like you've doused your hair in glue, this is the spray for you. Product number 3. Toppik Hair Fiber Spray Applicator. The Toppik Hair Fiber Spray Applicator is a must-have tool if you're serious about using hair fibers. Priced at $19.95, it may seem a bit steep for an applicator, but its precision is unmatched. I found it incredibly easy to target specific areas where my hair was thinning, allowing for a seamless application without the mess. The design is intuitive, and it helped me achieve an even distribution of fibers, which made a huge difference in how natural my hair looked. However, I did notice that it requires a bit of practice to get used to. If you're new to hair fibers, you might end up applying too much at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes an invaluable part of your hair care routine. If you're serious about achieving that fuller look, investing in this applicator is definitely worth it. Product number 4. Hair Thickening Fibers and Pump Applicator Set. I tried the Hair Thickening Fibers and Pump Applicator Set by WOZUTUNT, which is another game changer. Coming in at just $9.99, it offers incredible value with both the fibers and the applicator included. The fibers are designed to cling to existing strands while also providing a natural look. I appreciated the variety of shades available, making it easy to find a match for my hair color. The applicator was easy to use, allowing for a targeted application that made me feel like I was in control of my look. The downside? It can be a little messy if you're not careful, and I noticed a slight buildup over time. But when you're seeking a quick fix for thinning areas, this set delivers. I'd recommend it for anyone looking to enhance their hair or beard without breaking the bank. In conclusion, these 5 hair fiber sprays and applicators offer a variety of solutions for anyone struggling with thinning hair. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all deliver on the promise of thicker-looking hair. Whether you're looking for a quick fix or a more permanent solution, there's definitely something here for you. I hope my experiences help you make an informed decision.